So, I ordered the cheapest Samsung Galaxy S5 digitizer and LCD I can find from a Chinese website. The question is it worth it? Let's find out. OEM and replacement LCD ranges from $80 to $100. The cheap ones ranges from $20 to $30, but that LCD does not support screen brightness adjustment. I got mine for $22, including a free shipping fee. Who wouldn't like that? So, first, let's compare it to an original LCD. If you look at the color, there is not much of a difference between the original one and the replacement one. It even got a free home button and a sensor. Looking at the flex, it is almost the same as the original one except the Samsung logo here. Checking the dimension, it is the same as the original one. Even the camera hole, sensor hole, and the earpiece hole is placed where it should be. Thumbs up to that. If we bend this LCD, we can already see that it might snap anytime. But I wouldn't push this LCD to its limit. I really need this LCD right now. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh, nice. The color is good. And oh, the screen brightness adjustment works. Nice one. Okay. One thing I love about this Samsung phone is you can check the LCD and the digitizer's function by dialing this up. Asterisk pound 0 asterisk pound. With this hidden Samsung feature, we can check the LCD and the touchscreen and other stuff, LED, sleep sensor, vibration, receiver, and everything. But we must check the color, the dimming, and the touchscreen. This will be a pretty boring video, so I'm gonna put up my favorite song, Friday by Rebecca Black.
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying, 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 fun, 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 fun. Looking forward to the weekend.
Overall, I can say that I am impressed and satisfied with this LCD considering its price, free shipping, and the free home button and fingerprint sensor. If you want to see the link, I'll put it in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, click like, follow, subscribe, whatever. Please. Thanks.